showing you how to make Nigerian custard. Okay, this is purely starch. It's different from European custard. All right, let's get started. Add water. And dissolve it, okay, properly. This is starch. We use this mainly for breakfast. An alternative to real akamu or Nigerian pap. Just starch. We're going to make it smooth. And I'm going to show you the trick. To make a smooth custard, allow the water to boil, then leave it for 30 seconds. Okay? It's already starched, so you don't pour it immediately when it's boiled, so that you can get a smooth textured custard. Look at that. Beautiful. This is what we want. We're going to add our sugar. Salted milk. Our custard is ready. Look at that. To make it balanced, we have our beans fritters, which is called akara. Today we prepared custard and akara for breakfast. This is smooth. I showed you how to make a smooth, great textured custard. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.